Everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the summer collections. So there'll be some tops, some dresses, and some skirts which will be, and these will be of surplus stock. So that is the reason I'm giving it for a very reasonable price. Dresses, all dresses will be just for 550 free shipping. Okay, you can pick any piece for 550 free shipping, and first 10 members get additional discount also. So booking number is 9711195266. Please follow and like my page on Facebook and also join my WhatsApp group. Link is provided in the description box. You can also follow my YouTube channel, as I have started off with the YouTube channel. Link also will be provided over there. Okay, and if you need the in WhatsApp link, I will be providing you all the same. So let's start off. This is actually the collection is one of my known person who wanted some money, so I'm trying to get I'm trying to help her by selling out her products. She came to me for a help, so I thought I'll help her. So that is the reason I've got her stock, and I thought I'll show it to you. So keeping it very reasonable, as these are surplus stocks, again I'm saying, so there won't be any brand tagging, nothing. Okay, so here it's a lovely dress. So this one is in lycra cotton. Okay, lycra cotton in off-white color. You can say cream color also. Okay, it is stretchable. It is stretchable. You have got the lining also. It is stretchable. But this one, the size which will fit, bust wise, it is fitting 40 also. This tummy area, as I have tummy, so I have to wear a tummy shaper. Okay, else I haven't worn a tummy shaper, so it is like this. So 36 34 36 38 can go. 34 36 38 can go. A very smart piece. You can see like this, the elastic will be 34 36 38 can go for this lovely piece, just for 550 free shipping. So here comes a very smart stock, and this is in cotton. This is in cotton. The dress is in blue and white stripes. Okay, it comes with the plates like this, and you have got pockets also. So this one, the size which will fit 36 38, sorry, 38 40. Okay, the size which will fit 38 40. The size which will fit 38 40, it comes like this front button. 38 40 it will be, just for 550 free shipping. So this one is in 40, 42, 44. Okay, completely stretchable piece. I think it is in power net kind. Okay, completely stretchable. 40, 42, 44. You have a cushion over here. Okay, so give a very linear look. 40, 42, 44 can go for this, and this is the print. Okay, this is the print. 40, 42, 44 for this one. Okay. So this one is also completely stretchable piece, and the size which will fit, it is a little loose for me. Same 40, 42, 44. I think 46 also can go. 46 also can go. So this is the print. This is not cotton, but it's a very airy piece. Okay. So again I repeat that there will be some minor lighter, there might be, because these are surplus stocks, so I'm just trying to help her. So if I see anything, I'll obviously tell you, but don't expect a lot, because the price is also that we only have kept. Okay, just for 550 free shipping, and first 10 members also get some additional discount. Okay, so this is the one. So this one is in cotton. Okay, this one is in cotton, and this one, the size is perfectly fitting me. So 34, 36, 38 can go. 34, 36, 38 can go for this one. It's in a khadi cotton. Okay, you can see at the color also, it's soft cotton. Khadi cotton. 34, 36, 38. There is there's no button over here. Okay, so I have told whatever I have seen. Rest everything is fine. The small button you can put it by yourself also, as the fabric is too good. So this one is in short pattern. Okay, it's in short pattern, and this is the print. So above this one is lycra. Okay, so this one is a lycra black, and this is the print. So size which will fit 38 40. Okay, the size which will fit 38 40. This is in short dress, 38 40 for this. So this one is a very smart piece. Okay, It's a very smart piece, and this is in navy blue and white combination. And back side actually is like a parachute kind of a fabric. Okay, back side is parachute kind of fabric. आपको गीला गीला जगह जाते हो तो you can wear it. Front is completely lycra cotton, and it's a very good cotton they have given. Okay, like premium जो t-shirt material होता है वो है, ठीक है. And I don't know why this is given. इसमें तो फिर भी टैग लगा है, ठीक है. So I have to check else. It's a very smart piece with the pocket size. Again I repeat, 34, 36, 38. 34, 36, 38 can go. Otherwise बहुत comfortable and smart piece है, very different also. मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया. 34, 36, 38 for this, a very cute piece. So this one also is a very smart kind of a dress. ये आपका बनियान फैब्रिक में ही है. It's super cool with a very smart length. शायद आप यहाँ पे बेल्ट लगा के भी आप पहन सकते हैं. Color is very subtle. It's in a cream color. Okay, in a cream color with the piping style like this they have provided. Okay, with the piping style like this they have provided. ठीक है, और ये स्मार्ट सा पीस है. The size which will fit 34 का. ये थोड़ा ना ओवर साइज टाइप भी आप पहन सकते हो, जो मैं देख पा रही हूँ. ओके, 34, 36, 38, 40. 34, 36, 38, 40 कैन गो फॉर दिस पीस. एक्चुअली 42 भी जा सकता है. इट्स कम्प्लीटली स्ट्रेचेबल. ओके, द फैब्रिक इज ऑल्सो स्ट्रेचेबल. सो 42 भी आप जा सकते हो. लाइक अ बॉडीकॉन ऑल्सो यू कैन वेयर, लाइक अ स्ट्रेट ऑल्सो यू कैन वेयर. सो दिस वन इज अ वेरी स्मार्ट जंपसूट. ये आपका ऐसे स्ट्रिंग लाइन में रहेगा. एंड दिस वन इज परफेक्टली फिटिंग माई साइज. ठीक है, लेंथ वाइज एवरीथिंग. आई एम 5 feet. So lengthwise also it's in cotton. It's in cotton and it comes with the string like this. ये string में रहेगा. In black, completely black cotton में है. ठीक है. Size which will fit 32 also can go. अगर आप baggy style में डाल सकते हो. 32, 34, 36, 38 can go. 32, 34, 36, 38 can go. A completely black color jumpsuit with the string. With the string. Okay. So this one is a long dress. You can see ये बहुत ही long है. I am wearing heels and I am 5. पूरा completely covered हुआ है. And this one the size will fit 40, 42, 44. हाँ, 40, 42, 44. 40, 42, 44. ठीक है, 40, 42, 44. ठीक है, ऐसे रहेंगे. 40, 42, 44 for this. A long dress. 40, 42 and 44. ये सब थोड़ा लाइक्रा स्टाइल में रहेगा, लाइक सिंथेटिक लाइक्रा टाइप्स. सो दिस वन इज अ लेवेंडर ड्रेस. ठीक है, लेवेंडर ड्रेस 44, 42, 44, 46. ठीक है, ये ऐसे आपका स्ट्रिंग में आएगा. सो दिस विल कम इन स्ट्रिंग. 42, 44, 46. ओके, 42, 44, 46. नीचे आपका ऐसे प्लेटेड स्टाइल है. नीचे is a plated style. 42, 44, 46. You can carry off with a long shrug. बहुत आप स्टाइल अप कर सकते हैं इसके साथ. ठीक है, बहुत आप स्टाइल अप कर सकते हैं इसके साथ. In 42, 44 and 46 for this in lavender color. So here comes a very beautiful dress as well. And this one, the size which will fit 34, 36, 38, 40. 34, 36, 38, 40. Waist पे भी elastic रहेगा. ठीक है, it is not cotton but it's on a lycra style. You know, see, fully 4-way stretchable. 34, 36, 38, 40 को जाएगा this piece. So this one you can see a very beautiful dress, and at the above area is in lycra and below is in cotton. ठीक है, so size which will fit 38, 40, 42. The size which will fit 38, 40, 42. जैसा प्राइस वैसा स्टॉक, बस कीप इट इन माइंड. 550 फ्री शिपिंग में मैं दे रही हूँ इतने अच्छे ड्रेसेस. ठीक है, सो साइज अगेन आई रिपीट 36 नहीं, 38, 40 and 42. 38, 40 and 42, black, off-white and green. So this one is a party wear dress in purple color. You can see it is in purple, and the size which will fit 34 also can go. 36, 38. 34, 36, 38. It has got some glittery thing in animal print. 34, 36, 38. Okay, for this dress. टाई डाई स्टाइल में रहेगा. 34, 36 and 38 for this. So this will be little bit on a satin style, बड़ा सा अलग सा ड्रेस है ये. in 36 to 38. Okay, 36, 38, 40 can go. 36, 38, 40 can go. Hip size, I have got a very big heavy hip size. So नीचे से it is like little bit on a bodycon style. So जिसका hip 40 से कम है वही ले, ठीक है. जिसका hip 40 मतलब 39 भी चलेगा. Okay, so 40 से कम है वही ले. Very different kind of a piece it is. You can see the fabric, ठीक है, बड़ा cool सा fabric है in 36, 38, 40. So this one also is a very beautiful piece. It comes with the layering like this, and this one the size which will fit 34, 36, 38, 40. 34, 36, 38, 40 को जाएगा. ऐसे आपके एक नेट लगा हुआ है, ठीक है. इनसाइड इज लाइक दिस. 34, 36, 38, 40 को जाएगा. Very beautiful frock. It is in very lightweight piece. So this one is in lycra black color. Okay, it's a lycra black color, and this one the size which is perfectly fitting me. So 34, 36, 38 can go. Okay, it is on a glittery shimmer pattern, you can see, and it's in a lycra piece. Okay, 34, 36, 38 can go. So this will be the pattern. 34, 36 and 38 for this piece. So here comes a lovely dress, and this one also is perfectly fitting me. 34, 36, 38. Okay, 34, 36, 38 for the beautiful dress. It is in 550 free shipping. So here comes a beautiful piece in powder blue color. ठीक है, ये आपका satin style में रहेगा और बहुत ही प्रीमियम सा satin है with the lining. And this one the size which will fit 34, 36. Okay, not 38. It is tight for me. It is tight for me. It is with the back zip. 34, 36 a completely party wear dress. बहुत ही प्यारा सा party wear dress है. You can see in 34 to 36 for this. ठीक है, ये actually मेरे लिए tight है, so I am not able to pull the zip. Otherwise it's a very lovely plated dress. Okay, बहुत ही सुंदर से ऐसे प्लेटिंग में आएंगे. So here comes a very different like you know oversized style of a dress. ठीक है, बहुत प्यारा सा piece है, very unique. And this one the size which will fit this can be worn as oversized also, and it's in long. Okay, like this cut will be there. You need to wear with shoes, not with heels and all this type of dresses. Okay, so size which will fit 30 or 32 also can go if you want to wear like an oversized. 32 34, 36, 38, 40. 34, 36, 38, 40 can go. बहुत ही प्यारा color combination है. 34, 36, 38 and 40 for this. So these were the collections on the dresses just for 550 free shipping. Please help someone who is in need, and I'm also helping out. You can also help to extend your help by purchasing it so that she can get the money what she wants. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.